Hi guys, today what we're going to be doing is we are going to be doing a forfeits video. What I forgot to mention, if you don't do it within 3 goes, you have to do the forfeit. The next one is I have to open 7.5k packs in FIFA, and if I don't do it, if I don't get an 81 or above rated player, I have to do the forfeit, which is show a picture of me dancing when I was about 8. Hi guys, so I've just done the packs one. Went to plan, fair enough. Now we've got Tom's Kick. If I don't get an 85 or above rated, I have to eat a chili. Not good. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I didn't have to do any of them, so I'll eat the chili. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so hot. Cut my throat. It's so hot. It's so hot. It's still really hot. It's supposed to be. You know when your parents say like, no, chili makes everything taste nice when you get past the pain. There's no other taste, just the pain.